left Lecco so early, in a bus that hummed and swayed. Rain kept flirting with the glass, then softly slipped away. Varenna waited on the lake, no cars allowed in town. So we parked and took a train and watched the drops come down. Umbrellas bloom like flowers on the cobblestones below. We walk the way of love beside the waves that come and go. A heart of iron framed the view, couples struck their pose, and we laughed beneath our raincoats. That's the way it goes. A river whispered down the hill, the shortest in the land. We climbed the endless stairways with gift bags in our hands. Each shop a tiny treasure chest, silk and scented spaces. I think we were the only ones who weren't pulling suitcases. And though the rain came pouring down, Varenna's charm still shone. Sometimes the grayest day